I'm thinking back to me.
Ready. I'm thinking about hella shit. Why these motherfuckers didn't hop a fence? My lord niggas been with the shit. Hit a nigga in his lip and watch his favorite color drip. Rockin' with my nigga TC, he a crip. Dinka Park 30, knock him down doing murky. My little niggas in the field can't get killed. I swear to God on my life, I hope I don't get killed. Lil Ready in the field, gotta stay equipped. A deuce revolver, but I'm with the shit. You bitch niggas talking shit, you need to stop it. I'm eating you rap niggas like topics. Fuck niggas talking shit, but you ain't nothing. My lord niggas really in the field, call it hunting. Chandler Park duck season, yeah, it's hunting. Chandler Park duck season, yeah, it's hunting. For any days, bro. I don't pursue no violence.
I'm thinking back to me.
I'm thinking about pursuing niggas who wanna make it out, nigga. I'm thinking, tryna hit another lick, but the Brody be on some foo-foo shit. Hit a nigga with this 4-5 if he talking. My little nigga went down, yeah, he in the coffin. Rainy days had a nigga in the struggle. I was cooking dope and the pot had to bubble. The same night had to make top ramen. Fuck niggas talking shit, but no, you not a goblin. All my niggas in the field gotta maintain. I pray to God I don't sniff cocaine. My daddy did, or whatever. Niggas talking shit, they get buried with a shovel. I ain't gon' do that, bro. I'd rather sell rocks. Fuck niggas talking shit, but till I'm on top, they gon' wanna hand out. And I ain't doing shit. I'ma front around and watch this motherfucker flip around. I'ma flip around and watch this motherfucker flip.
I'm thinking back to me. I'm thinking